enable.
In this episode of Spotlight, we delve into the fascinating and inspiring story of entrepreneur K Srinivasan, the man who transformed jewelry manufacturing from traditional to a technology-oriented and organized setup. The man who started as a salesman in a jewelry store and is today the managing director of Emerald Jewel Industries, Coimbatore's largest jeweler and one of the leading jewelry manufacturers in the world.
Welcome to a brand new episode of Spotlight. I'm Radhika Sinha and I'm going to take you through a very inspiring journey today of Coimbatore's gold baron, Mr. K Srinivasan.
In the lush green hinterlands of Coimbatore, surrounded by open spaces, stands an astonishing world of glitter, Emerald Jewel Industries. A jewelry manufacturing industry, Emerald is the brainchild of one relentless entrepreneur, K Srinivasan, Coimbatore's man with a Midas touch.
Our MD, Mr. Srinivasan, always believed that this industry, jewelry industry, like a cottage industry, unrecognized cottage industry. He wants to develop this industry as a real big grown-up industry like steel or textile industry or any other industry. So that we traveled a lot and we went to so many foreign exhibitions and we have gathered so much of knowledge. We bought so much of new machineries and new technology, and we have incorporated with our real traditional Indianized designs, and we are doing very well.
Major objective of transformation from a goldsmith to an organized sector was because of the lead time, where traditional goldsmiths, we are totally the time duration for making a product was taking on average 30 to 45 days. In order to reduce the lead time and supply the market more at a shorter duration, since it's gold, it is precious, we went into a semi-technique called casting, where it can be done some automation and for mass production. This came the first evolution, where we reduced our cycle time. Reduction of the cycle time was the core objective for diversification. When new projects started coming, so we said, why not we make a bigger basket for this, for our casting projects. So casting projects, we said, okay, why not, when we are doing rings, why not we start rings in stamping, electroforming, everything. So this made us go into all other projects slowly, using all the technologies, going slowly into this project.
Unlike the usual cottage industry setup, Emerald resembles a corporate empire with 5 manufacturing units, 4 here in Coimbatore and 1 in Sharjah. The manufacturing machinery is state-of-the-art, which melts, molds and shapes the yellow metal into various designs. Srinivasan has transformed this unorganized cottage industry into a modern and thriving organized industry.
If you compare ourselves, when we started 34 years back, on an average we were producing 100 grams or 200 grams. Going to such a big leap was truly a big vision of Mr. Srinivasan. He wanted a growth year on year, month on year with innovation. For him, there was only one mantra, which is, if there is no innovation, there is no growth. This made him year on year think on how to progress, how to get new products, how to get new technologies in the gold jewelry industry. There's three most important what Emerald is really successful is, one is the design, second is the purity of the gold, third is the quality.
Srinivasan started his venture with about 40 grams of gold jewellery but is today handling almost 24 tons of the precious metal every year and hopes to only raise it further. In its current installed capacity, Emerald can produce a staggering 4 tons of gold jewellery, gold artifacts and diamond jewellery every month. Every month, the company can also produce up to 4 tons of silver jewellery and artifacts. Today, Emerald can boast of offering over 3.5 lakh designs. Innovation in thoughts, processes and designs plays a critical role in Emerald's day-to-day operations. The objective is on creating new designs with the most advanced technologies. In 2006, with a team of only 6 workers, Emerald would roll out 2 designs every hour and 15 designs in a day. Today, the company has a workforce of over 4,500. The units are laden with high-end machinery for production as well as design.
We wanted our jewellery to come out as unique product. So, we brainstorm, we give the concepts, to create an inspired jewellery. We wanted to make it unique. We give the better aesthetics, we mix match the concepts and the designs and with the technology to give the better finish, to give the longevity, to give the better aesthetics of the jewellery. When a customer comes to the store or when a customer sees a jewellery, the main thing which flows in their mind is the quality and value for money.
Mr. Srinivasan's dream to transform the conventional jewellery industry into a technology-oriented one came true in 1998 when new activities and departments were launched for specialization. The concept of mixing casting designs with handmade jewellery was introduced with the help of high-tech machinery and skilled craftsmanship. A new stamping unit was started with the latest technology from Turkey to produce lightweight jewellery. Emerald became the first to manufacture and market this lightweight stamping jewellery in India under the name Impress. The unit has a capacity of producing almost 60 kilograms of mesh and hollow style jewellery in 22 as well as 18 carats in a month. With imported technology from Italy and Switzerland, the electroforming unit was set up to create lightweight but large jewellery. Unlike other processes, electroforming allows you to create weightless designs with complex 3D models. Emerald uses this process to create lightweight statues, idols, jewellery designs and artifacts.
The real transformation, what we had that as compared to others, will be the usage of machineries in the product is substantially 50% to 60%. You get quality of the product, there is no human intervention, you get a proper dimensional sheet metals or any other product. Second, tough for human, which can't be made by humans, say, certain designs can be made in human handmade kind of thing, is transferred through this CAD/CAM technology by getting directly in machine.
In his 33 years of jewellery manufacturing, Emerald's talent, technology, creativity and expertise have made it a one-stop source for designing, manufacturing and marketing of gold. The company's dedication towards quality, purity and new designs have reflected in increased production. Quality checks are done for each of the new designs produced every day. From handcrafting jewellery to modernized production, Emerald's quest for expansion continued with the establishment of the diamond and platinum jewellery production units. The diamond unit is the first in India to use cut bagging, a method that adds glitter to the diamonds. A highly skilled workforce and a variety of inventory is what makes Emerald's products more distinctive and dazzling. Emerald has grown by leaps and bounds over a period of 33 years. Each step of its growth has been clearly envisioned by the founder. However, the success of the whole group depends not only on the founder's vision, but also the dealers and the strong employee base. Emerald believes that employee welfare is the most important factor for its success and has taken a keen interest in developing a friendly working environment with basic necessities and suitable options for recreation.
There is no restrictions of ideas, no restrictions of innovations, no restrictions of the what we can say in terms of the flow of work. One can go help each other. There is a total intra-departmental cross-functional activities which makes EJL a totally different place to work environment. Specifically, we take care of the workers in terms of the facilities, the work environment, the safety, the hygienic, to the canteen facilities, to the crèche facilities, accommodation. Every areas has been taken care not as a factory environment but as a truly one single place where people live here. It is like an institution. The major work, it is like an institution because this is an institution to produce jewelry.
The wide range and unique designs created using state-of-the-art technology from Switzerland, Turkey and Japan are in great demand in India as well as the international market. The group is confident that their products will set standards for competitors and redefine the benchmarks in quality, design, aesthetics and range.
Surprised how one man transformed gold manufacturing in India? Well, on the other side of the break, Mr. K Srinivasan is going to take us through his journey himself. So we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to the show, and we are now in conversation with Mr. K Srinivasan, MD of Emerald Jewel Industry India Limited. Thank you so much, Mr. Srinivasan, for joining with us. So yours has been a very inspiring story. In an article I read it that you started out as a salesman in a jewelry store and you were just paid rupees 150 per month. So take us through your journey.
I born in a very poor family. My brought up also average only. I studied in a normal school. Then I want to be an engineer, but I couldn't succeed. Then I have joined in a science college. I completed my graduation. After completing my graduation, I thought I should not remain poor forever. I should change my generation. Then I was thinking about jewelry industry. So many people were joined and they have come up in their life. Why can't I try? Then because I don't know much knowledge about jewelry, then I have joined in a jewelry showroom. I worked for 10 months. Then I have gained reasonable knowledge. Then I understood this is an unorganized industry. There is a lot of scope for development. So based on that, I have selected a jewelry industry. Then actually with my family help and friends help, I have gathered some money. Then I made some samples. I taken this to Ahmedabad. I show it to them. They were impressed with my designs. Then they have given more and more orders. The different thing I made is, first preference I have given for purity. Second thing, very good finish. Third thing, design. Fourth thing, delivery time. 4 things I have concentrated, which has given a very good response. Then once satisfied customers, they are introducing their friends, their relatives. Then everybody started giving orders. Then I get more orders. More orders in the sense more business. Then this is the way I have grown. Now I have reached to this level.
So what would you say has been the turning point for your company?
First, I have started with handmade jewelry. See, handmade jewelry, there was a limitation because this is made by human. Then actually, no, I am not in a position to honoring my commitment also, because dealing with so many people. Then I thought, why don't we do mechanized production? Then I start traveling to different places. I understand the different technology. Then actually, according to the Indian taste, I have modified and I have started producing, which has given a very good result.
So many years into your business and so much of success. So there has to be something that's very special about your company. So one thing very unique, or what according to you, makes EJII stand out?
See, EJ is so special because whatever designs we are having, confidently I can say nobody is having. Then whatever way we are controlling the purity, very few people are adopting that. Purity, quality, we are ensuring a good finishing, and we have a very good team. Because of that, we are ensuring timely delivery. So this strength, I can confidently say nobody is having.
So gold has always been under cottage industry, but your plant, your unit, has state-of-the-art machinery. So would you say that technology has somewhat played a very key role in your growth of the company?
Yes, we have started with casting technology, which is from Japan. Then we have started electroforming jewelry from Swiss technology, stamping technology from Turkey, then chain manufacturing from Italy. Then we have started using CNC machines for bangles, rings. Then we are using lathe for channel setting rings. Like that, I can go on say so many technology we are using.
So Mr. Srinivasan, now you have entered the branded jewelry space as well. So what's the idea behind this big move?
We were started with the wholesale network. This wholesaler in turn giving to retailers, retailers giving to end consumers. In the chain, we have not established our identity. To create our own identity, we have started Jewel One, ISTA, NISTA, Triple F, Corona, like that, we have started.
So what's the road ahead for next 4 to 5 years in terms of designs, your products and ever evolving customer service?
So you have asked three things. First, design. See, we are having a very good designing team in Coimbatore, Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata and Dubai. We understand the needs of the people. Accordingly, we are designing. We are always trendsetter. I think we don't have a problem as far as design concerned. The product, we are making innovative product. We are using lot of technology. We are mix match and we are creating some innovative product. I think that also stand good. Next 5 to 10 years, we are going to double up our production. See, once we are scaling up production, our cost will come down. That also we are trying.
So what advice would you like to give to all our young entrepreneurs, that what are the things that they need to overcome, while they open a new company?
See, I have a great faith in our life. Whatever we want to be, we can. For that, we should have a patience. Whatever we do, with passion we have to do. 100% dedication should be required. Devotion is must. Then everything is possible for the willing heart. I think anyone can try, anyone can achieve.
So what a lovely thought to end the show. So thank you, Mr. Srinivasan. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So with that, it's a wrap on today's Spotlight. We'll meet next time with another inspiring story. So keep watching CNBC TV 18.
Focus, ideate, innovate, enable.